Bhavani and I've been teaching here since the last 16 years at Welingkar. Today we had a workshop on Mind 2.0 Transcend to a New Dimension. The focus for this workshop was how to empower the mind, how to handle various situations, deal with people and conflicts, how to relax an anxious mind. We are more focused on the outer world than the inner world. We need to ideally balance both and give it a new aspect in life. Thank you so much.
Listen to boss and I say, okay sir, I'll try to improve myself.
So this is a fear.
No, I just have fear in me that others should not complain about me, so I work properly.
Okay, let's take this situation. That fear and that worry that something negative.
Hello there, I'm Sahil Saman. I'm from January 24 batch. Today we had just completed workshop on Mind 2.0 hosted by Bhairavi ma'am. So basic takeaway from these workshops are like how to mold your mind towards positivity and to understand the multiple dimension of your mind. And you can't find a better coach than Bhairavi ma'am herself. So I'd like to thank Welingkar to arrange this. So.
Hello everyone, my name is Amit Paneria. I have a total of 18 years of experience and I have been working with the asset management companies. I am doing PGDM-Hybrid Program with WeCare in the July 22 batch, and I am very happy to attend these programs, the hybrid programs. I am happy to share my experience here that it has been very interactive programs. The faculties have been good.
Hi everyone, myself is Krishna Murari. I am from JL 23 batch and today I have attended Mind 2.0 by Bhairavi madam. It's a fantastic workshop. We have learned ice work, emotions, how to control the work ability and the personality trait. So the session is full of knowledge and learning, and I hope every student should do such a session and the workshop is very useful. Thanks to Welingkar.